Avalanches are masses of materials moving rapidly over a slope. They occur when materials on a slope break loose with the surrounding areas and quickly gathers additional materials as it descends. Avalanches can involve materials like rock, ice, debris, and snow. Snow avalanches are the most common phenomena in the Himalayan region and may range from a small shift of loose snow to huge slabs of snow. They descend at the high speed of 130 km per hour, causing devastation to villages and forests. Avalanches can damage roads. They cause floods when they obstruct the flow of river. They destroy constructions like bridges, schools, hospitals, and villages. Avalanches can be of different kinds. They can be categorized on the basis of material involved. Thus, there are snow avalanches, rock avalanches, debris avalanches.